To begin, stand facing away from your anchor point with your right foot in the foot cradles. Turn to stand side facing your anchor point, flex your right foot, and root the arch of your foot into the straps. Slowly bring your hands down to the ground. And now pivot your upper foot to face away from the anchor point, walking your hands until they're square to your anchor point, turning your body about 90 degrees. With your knees soft, root into your hands and hop your left foot backwards. And then walk your hands towards that left foot. Repeat that process until your upper foot is as vertically stacked over your hands as your hips and hamstrings will allow. Remember, you want to maintain neutral alignment through your core, your spine, and your pelvis. When you're as vertical as you can bring your body today, press down into your two hands, press into the upper foot into the straps, and slowly float your bottom foot to meet your upper foot. Keep your elbows soft to push your shoulders away from the ears. Squeeze the muscles in your legs and press into those foot cradles. Now the dismount, the important part. When you're ready, slowly float your left foot back down to the floor, bend the knees. Let the straps fly off of your upper foot and come down to child's pose. And remember, with time, your body will open up, allowing you to get more vertical.